A successful marriage is not something that just happens. It takes work. It takes trust to know in your hearts that you want the best for each other. It takes dedication to stay open to one another, to learn and grow, even when it's difficult to do so. 'Cause my heart stops. Brianna and Matthew, you are about to make promises to one another. But you will find that as you live these vows over the years, investing your time, your love, and your commitment to one another, the happy times of your life will be twice as joyous because there will be someone to share those joys with. Can you hear my heart when it beats for you? It beats for you. Can you see?
I love spending time with her, and I'm truly thankful to call her my cousin, my sister, and my best friend. I literally watched her mature and grow and evolve into a beautiful woman that sits before us today. She is driven, intelligent, kind-hearted woman. She puts forth thought, effort, and dedication into everything she does, and I know Bree will approach her new role as wife in the same exact way. Matt, this makes you a very lucky man.
I will.
You two have been looking forward to this day for a long time. Bree, today you got to marry your soulmate and your best friend. And tonight, Matt's hoping to end a 27-year dry spell.
'Cause my heart stopped for you, and my breath stopped for you.
Over the years, I've called you a lot of things. Al, boss, Matthew, asshole. But there's been two that have really stuck, and that's brother and best friend. You've always been there for me, and I couldn't be happier for you two on this day.
When I'm with you, I can feel your love as it captures all my heart as I'm falling.
Bree, I wanted to tell you that on our first date I knew you were one for me, but everyone here knows I'd be lying. Good things take time. After 8 years, you chose me. You found something in me that nobody else did. I promise to always be there for you, to be faithful to you, and to always tell you the truth, even when it's not what you want to hear. I love you.
If our relationship was solely based on our very first date, I think we both know that we would not be standing here today in front of all of our family and friends. For a very long time, we were at two very different points in our lives, which made us both question and doubt whether or not we were meant to be together. With each year, we have grown closer and stronger, and on this day, I promise not only to grow old with you, but to continue to learn with you and grow with you, even as time and life changes both of us.
Matthew, you may kiss your bride.
As I look at you, surrounded by this amazing group of family and friends, I am overwhelmed with trying to understand how I've become so fortunate and lucky to have built this foundation with you. I am so proud of the life that we have begun to build together, and I'm excited to see what the future has in store.
Can you see the start of a life that's true? And I'm with you, I can feel your love. Oh, my heart fell for you.
Love isn't perfect, it isn't a fairy tale or a storybook, and it doesn't always come easy. Love is overcoming obstacles, facing challenges, fighting to be together, and holding on and never letting go.